Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will see a Masterpiece Monday video, a Wanderlust Wednesday video, and a Fun Film Friday video. On Monday we'll be talking about the artist Grandma Moses and her folk art, and we'll also be learning a lot about perspective. Your kids will get to make their very own Grandma Moses folk art inspired piece of art with correct perspective. On Wednesday, we'll be traveling to the islands of Fiji and we'll talk about the rainbow reef there, and then your kids will get to paint their very own interpretation of the rainbow reef. On Friday, we'll be talking about the movie Spy Kids, and your kids will get to learn all about the science of fingerprinting, and they will also get to determine what characteristics their fingerprints have. All of the supply lists for all of these activities are listed below this video, and they're also on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.